Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Agent Tan from Keystone Property, and today we will be touring Reservoir Town by Baan Villa 7. And today we are in the biggest plot of land here in this village, come with 617 square meters for the land site. Let's tour inside with me. And welcome you guys inside of this lovely 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with the built-up area of 363.3 square meters. Let me show you guys over here. This is such a lovely dining table setup here. Also come with a private swimming pool in the middle of the house, surrounded by the sliding window, so you get all the natural lighting inside of the house. And look at this beautiful modern style kitchen here. They also come with a Asian kitchen or Thai kitchen over there. I will show you guys one side of the house first, which we have the guest bathroom, laundry room, the second bedrooms, and office room. Let's start the tour on this side of the house. Come with the guest bathroom and the shared bathroom here. And after that, you get the laundry room, which big enough to do your own laundry, and of course, swimming pool view. And after you walk till the end, you'll meet the 2 bedrooms, one with the ensuite bathroom, and another one the owner changed to an office room. Follow me to see the master bedroom here. All the bedrooms in this house are set separately, so it gives you more privacy. I hope you guys enjoy our YouTube video for today. I have to go for now. I'll put the price of this lovely home down below. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe. Bye bye.